calendar 2017. Every year of SUSU history is full of exciting discoveries, success and achievements. What memorable events happened at SUSU in 2017? Let's look at SUSU calendar 2017. We have two major tasks in 2017. One of them is to keep the research activity high. The second is to increase our visibility in the international community by introducing the new university brand. We are working on these tasks now, and it will help us improve our ranking position, something of great importance to our university. January. The new year started with victories. Our PhD student won a prestigious contest called ACCA IFRS Professional Student. 15 students of the Institute of Sports, Tourism and Service became winners of Athletics Championship of Euro Federal District. As part of cooperation between SUSU and the international academic world, an Oxford professor, Dr. Manus Henry, visited SUSU. SUSU hosted Global Game Jam for the fourth time. This is a significant event in the industry of computer games that attracts the international media. South York State University celebrated Tatiana Day. As part of the celebration, the SUSU rector made 3 student wishes come true: new microwaves in dormitories, software discounts and free TOEFL and IELTS courses. February started with a traditional forum called Science at SUSU. The university's researchers presented their scientific achievements under Project 500. Their publication activity grew significantly. The 9th scientific conference of PhD students took place, and SUSU Scientific Exhibition was opened. The Institute of Sports, Tourism and Service developed their research program. The Center for Sports Science bought some high-tech equipment: electromyograph, 3D printer and thermographic camera. The Orange Student Union was recognized as one of the best in Russia. The academic staff of the university became winners in Spartakiad of Friendship. SUSU presented a number of unique innovations at RoboFest 2017: teaching robot, CNC drawing machine and aircraft simulator. March. Headed by Professor Shirish Sonawane from India, a team of SUSU biotechnologists presented 2 innovative products: stress-relieving bread and yogurt. In cooperation with Kaspersky Lab, SUSU established Information Security Research and Education Center. SUSU opened the Center for Elite Training for talented students. In 2017, SUSU became a member of the National Collegiate Honors Council. In cooperation with the European Journalism Training Association, the Institute of Social Sciences and Humanities organized the second educational forum, Communication Leadership of the 21st Century. More than 1,000 pupils and students from Russia, Kazakhstan, Belarus, Ukraine and other countries participated in the event. The Employers' Assembly took place at SUSU with a number of well-known participants such as Roscosmos, the PGSC United Aircraft Corporation, Shell Pipe and other key SUSU partners. SUSU celebrated International Women's Day with a memorable entertainment show. April. The unique laboratory of neurohepatology at SUSU won a prestigious grant of the Russian Science Foundation. The Skolkovo Innovation Center and SUSU organized a video conference where students and academic staff presented their projects. SUSU organized Kstati Science Festival, where researchers discussed the contribution of scientific discoveries to everyday life. SUSU Aerospace faculty celebrated its 60th birthday. The main achievement of the faculty is its number of alumni, more than 7,000. Many of them had engineering offices, research and education centers, and industrial companies. The exhibition of student scientific projects opened at SUSU, where students presented a helmet-mounted display, a helicopter with high load-bearing capacity and futuristic architecture. These innovations will make people's life better in the future. SUSU students took 73 awards at Student Spring Festival. May. The most important day of the month is Victory Day, noted by the Grand Military Parade of the Faculty of Military Studies and the Victory Waltz as a tribute to the heroes of the Great Patriotic War. Rome Engineering 2017 lasted for 4 days at SUSU, where international researchers from 12 countries presented more than 1,000 projects. SUSU students presented their unique racing car at the Euro Motor Show exhibition, attracting professionals and car dealers. SUSU students received MBA diplomas from Matthew Osborne, Deputy Consul General of the Great Britain, after successful completion of the course at the Open University, UK. June. June was marked by another session of the International Scientific Council and the Supervisory Board under Project 500. The president of Emerson, Edmund Serre, evaluated the performance of SUSU.
Improvement is the alignment of the goals of the university with the 5-100 program, which is to increase the ratings of the university using the QS system to a higher level. The way this is being done is by doing research at a higher level in the university.
According to the National Interfax ranking, SUSU has entered top 22 universities of Russia. More than 400 students of the Faculty of Military Studies took the oath of devotion to the motherland. During the strategic session, South Ural State University, as the source of ideas and technology for the Ural industry, 10 student teams successfully defended their projects on cooperation with the industrial companies of the Urals. SUSU visited China and presented the science and innovation potential of South Ural District at Russian-Chinese Expo 2017. During the admissions campaign month, the director personally greeted the first prospective student. July. More than 7,000 students successfully graduated from SUSU. SUSU presented its scientific projects at Innoprom 2017, the major industrial exhibition in Russia. While the SUSU innovations presented was the unique truck transmission, South Ural State University participated in the agricultural exhibition Field Day, presented the unique GIS technology that attracted the interest of the Regional Ministry of Agriculture. August. The key August event was the acceptance of more than 8,000 first-year students. The SUSU Student Union became the winner of the All-Russian Labor Forum. The School of Medical Biology received the gold medal at Agro 2017. The Skolkovo School Innovators Navigation gave a presentation at Chelyabinsk IT Park, with SUSU students among the audience. The new academic year started with a new university brand. The new logo incorporated the leadership of the university, its international academic orientation, its role in uniting Europe and Asia and creating the Eurasian future.
Цель этого направления состоит в том, чтобы сделать наш университет.
The purpose of this new logo is to make our university more visible in the Eurasian academic environment. We have worked hard to make this new logo the way it is today. Our new brand will help us to become more visible as a smart university that unites Europe and Asia.
Смарт-университет, умный университет, объединяющий Европу и Азию.
Before the start of the studying process, the freshers received their first student ID card. The student initiation ceremony was held at the main university square. The new academic year started with the opening of the new Research and Education Center, Center of Computer Engineering. Russian Students' Parade was organized in Chelyabinsk for the first time. More than 10,000 students from Chelyabinsk universities, SUSU among them, gave the student oath at the main city square.
Мы, первокурсники, вступая в ряды российского студенчества, торжественно клянемся быть верными единому духу студенческого братства. Клянемся!
Mitchell employed the target group of 26 SUSU graduates. SUSU participated in Techno Expo 2017, presenting the project in cooperation with scientific and production company RB Composite and Aerospace Technology Research and Education Center. SUSU took part in the conference of the European Association for International Education in Spain and signed agreements with the authoritative ranking agencies THE and QS, as well as with a number of leading international universities. SUSU hosted the all-Russian contest Miss Student and Mr. Student, in which the most talented Russian students participated. October. In cooperation with SMS Group, the leading supplier to the metallurgical industry, SUSU opened the unique laboratory of additive technology. Pinot Heza, vice president of SMS Group, became an emeritus professor at SUSU. The 10-year project on founding the anthropological exhibition at the SUSU Museum of People and Technology of the Urals was completed. Our university is the only place in the Ural Federal District where you can admire the biggest collection of anthropological reconstructions of the Urals past. SUSU rector Alexander Shestakov was re-elected as the chairman of the Russian Rectors' Union in Ural Federal District. South Ural State University entered top 10 innovative universities of Russia and improved its position in QS EECA. SUSU has great potential. You are strong in many aspects, such as natural science, engineering and languages. You need to show this to the world. In this day and age, it is important to be talked about and be recognizable. Today students enjoy an opportunity to travel around the world and study in any part of the globe. To choose the best university, students use rankings. Generation S, the biggest startup accelerator in Russia, presented its work at South Ural State University. November. SUSU hosted the Rectors' Forum of Russia and Kazakhstan under the 14th Forum of Interregional Cooperation. The forum resulted in the resolution on cooperation in science and education. 40 agreements were signed between the universities of Russia and Kazakhstan. SUSU hosted the final of the UMNIC competition, where 83 projects were presented and evaluated by business experts. SUSU organized the International Festival of Culinary Art, where students, future food experts, showed their chefy skills. December. The most notable event in December was the award ceremony of SMS Group Data Challenge. Pinot Heza, vice president of SMS Group, awarded the winners.
Мы заняли первое и второе место. Третьими были немецкая команда, четвертое место.
We took the first and the second places. A German team took the third place. We also took the fourth place. It proves that we are serious competitors in the digital industry. In the nearest future, we'll be discussing ways of cooperation with SMS and Magnitogorsk Iron and Steel Works. As the steel company sets a number of research tasks for our university, we will join forces with SMS to solve them to contribute to the development of the digital industry.
Только нашей страны, но я думаю, что и мира.
In December, 2 innovative laboratories were opened at SUSU. One of them is located at the Institute of Open and Distance Education. Its main task is to develop massive open online courses for students. The second lab, Mechanics, Laser Processing and Digital Production Technology Lab, is established with the aim to train world-class engineers. SUSU successfully presented its scientific achievements at WUSPROM Expo in Moscow. The Instrumentation Engineering faculty celebrated its 60-year anniversary. This faculty was at the foundation of the School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. A new photo laboratory was opened. The aim of this laboratory is to do professional photos at the university and then use them to promote the university visibility in the international educational environment. SUSU and FACES took place in December. The brightest and most active students were awarded in the following nominations: Best Student Curator, Best International Student, Best Student Union and Student of the Future. SUSU entered top 10 classical universities in the National University Ranking of the Russian Federation, which proves that our university is among the best and most prestigious universities in Russia. Also, in December, SUSU will be celebrating its 74th birthday since its foundation. Happy birthday, Alma Mater! We wish new victories and achievements to everybody!